Hello everyone. Cline just posted on X.com that they are giving free access to Laguna M.1 by Poolside. This model is 225 billion total parameters and 256K context. And this is built for agent coding and long horizon work. So let's start and use this free model inside Cline. You can use their API inside OpenCode, KiloCode, or any other agent, but we will use the Cline extension inside VS Code to access this free model. Let's open VS Code editor first. After opening this, you can install Cline. Just come here to the marketplace extension, okay, and search for Cline. So after searching for Cline, you will see the Cline extension and just install that. I have already installed Cline. So after installing it, let's open it. So to open it, you will see the icon on left side or on right side. So just click this icon and you will see the interface of this extension. So this is the Cline, as you can see. So let's close this and we will move to the providers. Come here to the settings and we will sit here. Instead of Anthropic, you will use Cline. So let's search for Cline. Our provider is Cline. And here we will come to the free models. So after coming to the free models, you will see at the start Poolside Laguna M.1 free. This is a free model. You can use their API also. Let's click this. So after clicking that, we will press done. So as you can see, we have now selected this Laguna model, which is from Poolside. Now let's try and use it. So simply let's search. First of all, ask from this hello, which AI model is this? Press enter, so it will answer to our query. Cannot use checkpoint in desktop directory. So yeah, it says just sign in to Cline. So we will sign in to Cline using our Google account. Let's press this button. So we can copy this. Okay, copy this URL. I will open that inside a browser. I will continue with my Google account. So I have successfully created my account. Let's open it. So now here you can see we will continue and chat with this model. So let's now retry it back. Yeah, that is thinking. So it will answer, hello, I am Cline, an AI assistant designed to help with software development task. I am built with VS Code. This, okay. So this was the response from Cline. So now if you want to build a project or text boxes, so you can try this free model, how capable is this model. So you can test it with the front end and back end capabilities of this agent, how it is. So just try this model for free. If it was good for you, so you can use it for free for all the time, which is provided by Cline. So it was all about the today topic that I have shared with you. If the video is helpful, please like our video and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.